If you want this same kind of local-first command layer for agent workflows, check out Conductor.com. Conductor works with the coding agents already in your current setup. It runs fully local, and I will show the repo plus native coding agent screenshots later in this video. This post from Cheng Lou is one of the most underrated developer tool drops I have seen in a while. He says he crawled through depths of hell to bring front-end developers one of the most important foundational pieces of UI engineering. And the thing he built is not a fancy framework. It is not a design system. It is not a visual builder. It is fast, accurate, and comprehensive Userland text measurement. That sounds boring if you are not a developer. But if you build interfaces, you know that measuring text without relying on the layout engine is one of the hardest unsolved problems in front-end engineering. Most UI frameworks handle text measurement by waiting for the browser or platform layout engine to tell you how big a piece of text is. That works, but it is slow, unpredictable, and different on every platform. When you want to animate text, resize a component dynamically, or build a responsive layout that does not flicker, you need to know how big the text is before the layout engine runs. That is Userland text measurement, and almost nobody has done it well across all platforms. Cheng Lou built a tool that does it, and the demo shows it working on iPhone, Android, and desktop browsers simultaneously. That cross-platform consistency is the real unlock. Let us walk through the actual clip. It is only 8 seconds, but every frame tells you something. The first part shows a split-pane web IDE with a code snippet on the left. The snippet says return input value equals I will just send them to university with an on-layout callback and autofocus enabled. On the right side is a running Expo Go app on an iPhone, showing the target text with a red measurement dot and a component description. Then the view zooms out to show the real environment. A MacBook on a desk is running a full cross-platform demo. On screen, Expo Go is running on an iPhone on the left. An Android emulator with kind text measure is on the right, and desktop browsers show the tool working. The Android emulator shows the same text input with the measurement working in real time. A small GitHub-style panel is visible at the bottom, and a notification bubble shows unread activity. That one zoomed-out shot is doing a lot of work. It shows the same measurement API working across iPhone, Android, and desktop with 0 changes to the developer code. The tool appears to be an open-source project. The video shows a GitHub-style interface at the bottom of the screen, and the X bio confirms Cheng Lou has been a software engineer across Meta and Google. The post has over 750 replies, which is a lot for a developer infrastructure post. The measurement API itself seems to live in a simple package. The code shown in the demo is a single React component with an on-layout callback. That means developers can drop this measurement layer into existing projects without rewriting their interfaces. The cross-platform consistency is the most interesting part. Expo Go on iPhone, kind text measure on Android, and browser-based testing all show the same measurement behavior from the same code. The strategic lesson is that foundational developer tools still matter. A lot of the front-end conversation right now is about AI-generated interfaces, design systems, and visual builders. Those are all useful. But underneath, all of them is a real measurement problem. If you cannot accurately measure text, you cannot build reliable responsive layouts, smooth animations, or cross-platform UI consistency. Cheng Lou built a tool that solves that exact problem. It is not flashy. It will not go viral on Product Hunt. But if it works as well as the demo shows, it is one of those tools that quietly changes how people build interfaces. The caveat is obvious. A short demo clip is not the same as broad adoption, but the developer engagement signal is strong. And the post framing from someone with Meta and Google engineering experience gives it credibility. And that is also why local-first tooling matters in our world too. If you want your own command layer for developer workflows like this, check out Conductor.com and the public repo at github.com/tyrannic06/conductoros. I will show the repo, the dashboard, and the native Claude code, Codex, and Gemini launch screenshots on screen here. Conductor works with the coding agents already in your current setup, and it runs fully local. Different product, same principle. The best developer tools do not just add features, They solve foundational measurement and coordination problems that everything else depends on. If you want more breakdowns like this, subscribe. And if you want a local agent command center that works with the coding agents already in your current setup, go to conductor.os.com and check the open source repo at github.com/charanik06/conductoros. Fully local, works with your current coding agents, and built for real workflows instead of demo theater.